Hello everyone, how are you doing today? My name is Daisy Love, and for today I will be your instructor. We are going to be working on the particular workshop of how to maximize your time. Before we start, ladies and gentlemen, why are we having this particular workshop and why is it really important for us to understand how to maximize our time? What I find on a very personal level is that I can do so much better when I plan ahead and when I know how to maximize on the time that I have. A lot of times, what I teach to clients, participants, to anyone is that you always want to be aware of the time frame that you have, especially as a creator. When you work on the creative field, when you work with other creators, maybe you are working with artists, anyone who has, more of a creative style of work, it is important for you to understand that that person has a different style of life that you have. That person may also be working on one project or different various projects, and you need their time. So when you are working like that with other people, it's important to allocate a significant amount of time to yourself as well as to the other individual in order for you to achieve your goal and your task successfully. Are we here? For example, if you have a deadline calendar and if you are working with another person, instead of submitting or delegated a task for them to do and to complete in maybe a 2 day frame, you might want to check with them and give them ample time for completion of that particular project, for completion of that particular goal or that particular objective. Maximizing your time is understanding the potential that you bring to the table and how best you can work.